past few years have taught me anything, it's that life is unpredictable. As a type A personality with not so insignificant control issues, this realization has been a tough pill to swallow. But no matter who you are, what you do, or where you live, disasters can strike at any moment. The last thing you want to do is be caught unprepared, whether they involve physical safety, access to food and water, or communication. So, how about making your safety one of your New Year's resolutions and investing in an emergency preparedness kit? Ready, set, Judy! This morning's New to Loo 2 is Judy.
Say what?
That's right, Judy is the must-have emergency kit to keep your family safe during a disaster. Designed by experts, each kit has supplies for warmth, tools, safety, first aid, food, and water. Judy offers 3 kits. The first and most popular being the Protector, which is the perfect go bag on wheels for evacuations. Their signature bright orange color kit is a bag on wheels that supports up to 6 people for up to 72 hours. Their next kit is the Safe, an at-home and shelter-in-place kit designed to sustain a family of 4 up to 72 hours. This kit offers additional supplies like a crank radio, emergency candles, glow sticks, hand warmers, biohazard bags, and a bunch more. Their third kit is the Mover Max. Equipped with over 53 life-saving survival essentials, Mover Max is the best go bag for quick evacuations. Again, designed to sustain a family of 4 for up to 72 hours. 3 super well put together kits put together by Judy's team of emergency preparedness specialists. While there's no kit that's going to have everything you need, Judy makes it simple to have just about everything ready to go on hand. And of course, for different areas of the country or world or wherever you live, there's going to be different needs. And they make it super simple on their website. They have a ton of resources and prep guides for things like earthquakes, hurricanes, snow, tornadoes, flood, fire. Judy believes that a family with a plan is a family that can. Judy's Protector kit is on sale now for $175. Her Safe kit is on sale for $145, and her Mover Max kit is on sale now for $125. For more information, check out Lou's YouTube HouseSmarts channel for more information on Judy, along with a ton of other how-to videos, New to Loo 2 videos, right at your fingertips. And be sure to click the subscribe button while you're there.